Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
There will be desertification of Margao. Margao without trees cannot be imagined. Total desert करून उडयतात ते. And as it is, there is so much of traffic and yes, trimming is okay. Okay, worst to worst, like rarest cases, trimming we can allow, but cutting the trees, such beautiful trees, which is most uncalled for. So we request the concerned authorities to revisit this proposal and stop the cutting of the trees. Only if it is required in the rarest of rare cases where the tree poses threat to life, that tree could be cut. But en masse you're cutting 135 trees without any verification, it is most uncalled for, and we oppose this cutting of the trees of Margao.
These trees are marked to be cut for some, like, councillor is approached by a citizen that, cut this tree. So all these type of things are mentioned here. Secondly, some trees we feel need not be cut, especially opposite Kadamba bus stand. That place can be beautified instead of cutting.
Some trees to be cut and some trees to be trimmed. Now, as far as the cutting of the trees is concerned, 100% आम्ही oppose करपाक हांगा meeting केल्ला, because even if you are going to cut a tree, we have to determine the age of the tree. कोण forest official आन येवन ताजेर एक report तयार करपाचो की why the tree has to be cut.
मी एक झाड विजिट करून ताजे फोटोग्राफी करून दवरतले आनी आमी जे रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिले त्या प्रमाणे कलेक्टर जावं मारगांव म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलर जावन आमी सजेशन दिल्लें आसा. जे लिस्ट ड्रॉ केल्लें ते समवेर इन एप्रील मे आनी आज आमी ऑगस्टान आसा. कितलीशीं झाडां ऑलरेडी म्युनिसिपालिटी वर्कर लावन हें केल्लें आहा, कट केल्लीं आसा आनी त्या टायमार हें लिस्ट परतून चॅक करपा लायला आमी.